My name is Evan Ingalls, and the name of my poem is Natural Communication. It is all a dream. The ash tree says nothing to the birch, yet they both conspire to wave their arms to the same rhythm in the wind and to shed their tiny parasols at the same time in winter, becoming nothing but a pair of souls lost until spring, or a bare perch for a weary winged traveler. It is all more than I can understand. The way the bear knows to make its bed at the right time for its long slumber, the way the squirrel gathers what it can and hides it away somewhere, and after the snow knows where to find it in the moss-strewn ground. It is all more than it seems. Perhaps the sow-bug and the beetle murmur to each other as they pass in the garden. Maybe the flowers wait until we walk by to turn their heads away from the sun and converse amongst themselves. And maybe, just maybe, the ash tree and the birch exchange a few words with a rustle of branches in the night.